Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this very simple makeup look for you all. This is going to be clean girl makeup look, so we are going to be starting up with the skincare, and these days I'm using Kiro face serum. They have launched their new serums in the market, and this is going to be their 5% niacinamide and 2% alpha arbutin. I love the brand because it is cruelty free, vegan, chemical free and paraben free. So I use Alpha Arbutin serum because it helps in reducing the blemishes and the dark spots. It also has anti-aging properties and helps in promoting skin tightness. The product retails for 600 rupees in the market. You must try it. I love Kiro's product, guys. I love their makeup range. It has already been 10 days since I'm using the serum, and I'm able to see some visible results. My pigmentation going away, my dark spots reducing. So I would definitely recommend you guys to check out this product. The link is going to be in the description box below. For each and every skin concern, they have different kinds of serum. So yes, I love how my skin feels and how it looks right now. So yes, we are going to be moving on to step 2, and that is going to be applying a vitamin E lotion. So it is very important that you do your skincare before doing the makeup, so it can make your makeup stay put for a longer period of time, and it also helps in making your makeup look flawless. So it's very important that you have a nice canvas to work on. After that, I'm going to be moving on to concealer. You just need few products to do this makeup look. It is going to be beginner friendly. So yes, I am going to be concealing the dark areas that I have on my face, which is usually going to be around my eyes, around my mouth, and also in the middle of my forehead, just to highlight it up. I am going to be using this concealer. Take a concealer, guys, which is exactly your skin shade, and if you further want to highlight your face, you can go for another concealer which is one shade lighter to highlight the face. I take this brush. This is a concealer brush which I usually use. It helps in blending out the concealer beautifully, and as you guys can see, my dark circles and pigmentation are almost concealed. After that, I'm gonna set my under eye using this matte compact from Kiro again, and I'm almost done with this product, guys, because this is gonna be my favorite compact recently. It helps in giving bit of coverage. And then we are gonna be moving on to blush, and again this is the favorite blush. In all of the makeup tutorials and the videos that you have seen, I have used this blush because I love it. You will see how beautifully it helps in sculpting the face and adding that flush of color to the face as well. After that, I'm gonna be moving on to lip liner. I always line my lip, guys, because it is such an amazing hack to make your lip look fuller and bigger. After that, this is gonna be my everyday beautiful nude lip color, again gonna be from Kiro. You must have seen it in so many of the tutorial that I have done in the past, and this is gonna be in the shade ginger tea. Just make sure that you check it out. It is especially gonna be perfect for deeper skin tone and also medium skin tones. It helps in beautifully moisturizing the lips and stay intact for a long period of time. After that, a bit of highlighter if you want to go for it. I usually skip my highlighter, guys, because when the glow is healthy on the face and when you have the skincare done, you usually do not need it. After that, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply the mascara. You can apply any mascara that you have, because I'm gonna be telling you an amazing hack that you can do, which is gonna help in opening up your eyes. Just once the mascara gets dried off, curl your lashes again, and it is gonna be making a huge difference. I'll show you guys that. Just apply a coat of mascara again, and voila, you are done here. And I will be showing you guys that it really helps in making such a huge difference, opens up your eyes beautifully, and we are done with the makeup tutorial here. It is not going to take more than 3 to 4 minutes, and I hope you all liked it, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you all so much.